In the tiny museum of stolen history, we have the prize. The story behind this is that a long time ago there was a brewery up in St. Louis. Mr. Anheuser had that brewery, and his daughter married this guy named Bush. Bush wanted to make Anheuser a nationwide brand, so he went out looking for distributorships all over the country. Adolphus Bush came to Texarkana and offered Mr. Mullins, who built this building, a $15,000 loan so that he could build this building. That's where it got a lot of its fanciness and archways and that type of thing that really made it a lot fancier than just an old warehouse. It became kind of a more of an architecturally neat building. So Mr. Mullins borrows the money and he apparently distributes Budweiser. So we have this can that says 1937 on it, which was after Prohibition. But the cool thing about this is, of course, it has its taxes and famous and Anheuser and all that stuff. But the coolest thing on here is the instructions how to open the beer can with a can opener, like you used to do punch or whatever. Because just because you invented the can does not mean you invented the pop top the same year. If you'll notice, this was opened with just a little bitty pocket knife where someone took it and then they hid it in a little hidey hole, and we were able to find it. And so now we have this from the time capsule of stolen history.